changing this out. So that's got to be unplugged, which is this. Plug that, and this plugs in right there. This plugs in right there. That unthreads. This unthreads. I gotta go outside and turn the gas off because you can't. There's no gas cock on this, so let me go turn off the gas real quick. All right. We're in the heart of South LA. Not a good area. All right. So we're in what, unit 3? It's this one. Let's see if I can do it with these small fannies. Yeah, I can. I just gotta put this phone down. Okay. And we'll want to save that. Okay. Then there we go. Now it's gonna be hard, but I want to capture some of the water here. Let's hope that doesn't start leaking like crazy. And of course it does. Should have never touched it. I'm gonna have to replace that. This is leaking, won't stop per usual. So I'll replace this as well. It's really loose anyway. It's too short. I got another one in the truck. this back on. Nice and hot.